40 miles northwest of Las Vegas, the Spring Mountain Range. Characterized by tall, narrow ridges separated by wide, empty valleys, is a dramatic change from the Las Vegas basin below. Mount Charleston, the highest summit of the Spring Mountains, at 11,918 feet, looms over the deep valley, casting its shadow on the historic Mount Charleston Lodge. A great place to warm by the fire, take in the view, and grab a bite to eat. Mountain cabins line the canyon. Las Vegas has a ski resort, a winter haven high above the desert floor. Recreation abounds with mountain biking, hiking, rock climbing, and yes, skiing and snowboarding.